Your phone camera didn't suddenly get worse. You're just ignoring what's slowly ruining it. Think about it. When your phone was new, your photos looked sharp, clean, and detailed. Colors were vibrant. Night shots looked decent. Everything felt crisp. But now, photos look blurry. Details feel softer. Night images look noisy and grainy. And you start thinking, maybe my phone is getting old. Maybe the camera hardware is wearing out. Maybe I need to upgrade. But here's the truth. In most cases, your camera isn't actually broken, and you probably don't need a new phone. What's really happening is much simpler and almost always fixable. Let's break down the real reasons why your phone camera quality drops over time. Dirty lens, the one cause. This is by far the most common reason. Your phone lives in your pocket, your bag, your hands. It touches oil, dust, sweat, fingerprints all day. Even a tiny fingerprint can scatter light and create blurry photos, hazy glare, reduced sharpness, weird light streaks at night. And most people never clean their lens. The fix is simple. Use a microfiber cloth or even a clean soft fabric. Gently wipe the lens before taking photos. You'll be shocked how much sharper your pictures look instantly. 2. Low storage slows image processing. Modern phone cameras rely heavily on software processing. When you press the shutter, your phone doesn't just capture an image, it processes multiple frames using AI. But when your storage is almost full, your phone struggles. This causes slower shutter speed, less accurate processing, reduced detail, and more noise in low light. Think of it like trying to run heavy software on a nearly full computer. The solution: free up storage space. Delete old videos. Remove unused apps. Clear duplicate photos. Even freeing 5 to 10 gigabytes can noticeably improve camera performance. 3. Too many background apps. Another hidden reason is RAM overload. When many apps run in the background, your phone's memory gets stretched thin. And the camera app needs a lot of RAM to process images in real time. When RAM is overloaded, you may notice lag when opening the camera, delayed shutter response, lower processing quality, blurry results from motion delay. Before taking photos, simply close unused apps. This gives your camera the resources it needs to perform properly. For automatic beauty and AI filters, many phones automatically apply beauty effects even without you realizing it. These include skin smoothing, detail softening, artificial sharpening, color enhancement filters. While they may look nice for selfies, they often reduce true image clarity. Photos end up looking less natural and less sharp. Check your camera settings and turn off beauty mode, face smoothing, AI enhancement filters. Once disabled, you'll get much more realistic and sharper images. 5. Low light conditions. This one is purely physics. Phone cameras have small sensors compared to professional cameras. In bright light, they perform very well, but in low light, they struggle. When light is insufficient, the camera increases ISO. The digital noise increases. Details get lost. Processing becomes aggressive. This creates the grainy, soft look people blame on aging cameras. The best fix? Use more light whenever possible. Shoot near windows. Use indoor lighting. Avoid extremely dark environments. Light makes a massive difference. 6. Outdated software. Sometimes, the issue isn't hardware at all, it's software bugs. Camera performance is often improved through system updates. Updates can fix processing errors, focus problems, exposure glitches, performance slowdowns. If your phone hasn't been updated in a long time, check for pending updates. You might gain instant improvements after installing them. 7. Cheap or scratched camera protectors. Many people use camera lens protectors for safety, but cheap protectors often reduce image quality. Scratches, bubbles, or low-quality glass can cause blurry images, light reflections, reduced sharpness, poor night photography. Try removing the protector and take a test photo. If the image suddenly looks clearer, you've found the problem. Final step: restart your phone. After fixing these issues, restart your phone. This clears memory, refreshes processing systems, and resets camera performance. In most cases, users see immediate improvement without spending any money. The big takeaway: before upgrading your phone, before spending hundreds of dollars, before assuming your camera is old, try fixing these simple things first, because most camera problems aren't hardware failures. They're everyday habits, and once you fix them, your phone camera can look almost like new again. If you want more simple tech tips that actually work in real life, make sure to subscribe, because sometimes the biggest problems have the simplest fixes.